Hello, I'm Karen Butterfield. I'm an interior designer and I came to CAD International in February this year, so I've been coming for a couple of months. I came to learn the software skills, so I've learned AutoCAD, Sketchup and Photoshop. I've actually designed and developed a 500 square metre house with an office and an Airbnb and also a garden. I'm actually a teacher myself, but I'm just wanting to say how much of an amazing time that I've had here with Daz, who's the teacher. He's been very kind, he's been very patient, he's helped me become more confident, and the whole team have been so professional. I'd recommend CAD International to anybody, and I just want to say how grateful I am for everything that you've done for us. Thanks again.